Yo guys, it's time. It's time to change the profile picture. Don't get me wrong, I do like this picture. I like it a lot. It's one of the best pictures I've ever owned. I like it a lot. But we're gonna be making another picture, or I think I have another picture in stock. I made it around roughly 3-4 months ago, so sorry if it's a bit cringy. What? If you guys see this, please tell me. Please do. Did I delete something I wasn't supposed to? I'm saying this to my friend. See if he can. He knows more stuff about computers than this. I'm sorry if you can see this, but this is what my friend sent me. Wait, no, wrong one. Sorry, wrong one. Good cheese. Paste. What? What the heck? Did I save it? Like, copy. Paste. Is it too big? It's probably that. I'll just hit on this part. He could probably fix it. What does that mean? I can't click on our YouTube profile. I don't know what's up today. Something's weird with my computer. I might have to restart it. Hey guys, let me check on my laptop. So you guys can hear that. No, I'm gonna move my tray back because I can't literally can't put my laptop. Okay, that's it. I don't think I consider that, but that's it. But that's my laptop. Let's see. I don't know if YouTube down or something. Comment down below if it's happening to you today. What is this? It's happening on my laptop too. 1 second. I'm trying to log out. Log into as a guest. I'm gonna sign out of my YouTube account. Sign outs. Let's see. It's Hope. 16XX. Bro, that's honestly weird. Sorry, something went wrong. Yes, that is very weird. Maybe that thing. That's weird. I know you guys can see all my pictures. Anyways, yeah, that's extremely. I didn't make this video for fights, or not fights. Checking out YouTube profiles. I made this video to make a new profile picture. So guys, I'll see you guys in a bit. Just show you what my profile picture will look like. Boom! Did I scare you? Jeez, my bird just jumped. Anyways, I want to see if this was pretty qualified. I'm gonna just call him my little buddy. His name is nothing. Okay, let's call him. Beep! Beep! Awesome sound effects. Beep! Oh! Is this good? Click, snapshot, pow. Here we go. Is this good? Is this qualified? No. Well, I give up. I'd be like, I give up. I don't know. I'm gonna see if I can put on one of my plan pictures. Like what is this like error? Like, is it for like every channel? I've only done it on my no. I think it's for any channel. To be honest, I don't care. Here's why I don't care. Wait, my cousin subscribed to Logan Paul, Jake Paul. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, here we go. So come on. You better allow me to, don't you say this to me, I swear to God. This is supposed to be a video of me changing my profile picture. I can't do it on my iPad because my iPad's broken. Yeah, by the way, I broke my home button for my iPad. Oh, why I did that? No! This is a video that's supposed to, like, change my profile picture. Come on. What is this? No, I don't care. How do you take a freaking snapshot? I don't care. I'm gonna send this. I'm gonna send my friend this. Wait, no, sorry. Send my friend this. And yeah. No. Yep, to there it goes, obviously. Apparently, Hangouts doesn't like me. Paste. Okay, now let's go back, and then let's do this. And go go to copy, go to Hangouts, and go to paste. I wanna go to, and then I'm gonna go here, and I'm gonna do you, and go and boom! What does that mean? No, I don't know what it means. I'm trying to make a video of me changing my profile picture. Like, this video is supposed to be me changing my profile picture. Why me? Oh, God. Oh, that was awkward. It's 4 o'clock. Today was supposed to be a day of joy, awesomeness, swag. Yet, not anymore. Are you kidding me? A dentist. No, not dentist. I'm getting mad. Oh. Look. You do. Oh no. I honestly don't know, guys. I might do a reaction video later on today. I don't know. It's like, like, stop. Aimbot headset. What? I quit. Anyways, guys, that is the video. I tried to change my profile picture, but YouTube doesn't like me. I don't think YouTube likes anybody anymore, because YouTube's just a big, giant jerk. Jerk beast, bruh. Anyways, this video might be taken down. And, yeah. See ya later. Wait. No, I don't want that. I hate when this happens to me with screencasts. It's like, okay. Thank you. And that's the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash that like button in the face. Grab your mouse and just start spamming click. Just click it. Click it. Click it. Click it. And click that subscribe button. Yeah. Click the subscribe button and that like button as fast as you can. If you don't do it, I will make a Justin Bieber. What do you mean parody? I'll react to this. Okay, I'll react to this. First, I'm gonna check it out, or I'm gonna first see my mom check it out, see if it's okay for watching, because I don't know. I've watched this guy's videos. He just swear a bit. And I know what's swearing on this channel, even though I did like my last Fortnite live stream. There's like F-bombs, S-words, stupid, a bunch of other words I should not have said, but I did. But I mean, it doesn't matter. Jake, what is the third verse? What's in the box challenge? Bro fist. This video will make you forget your name. I want to know my name though. Everything wrong with a sweatshirt. Is this like the sweatshirt parody? Oh no, that's sweatshirt. Okay. Anyways, that's the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash that like button in the face like a T-Man. Because if you don't, I will come to your house and I'll give you $500. Wait, if you do like the I'm just kidding. Just smash that like button in the face. Just like walk up to it, grab your fist, and punch it. Like don't punch your monitor because that's not my fault if you do and it breaks. Don't do that. That's bad. Punch that like button in the face. Make sure you literally punch it, not your monitor. Just like punch it the other way from your monitor, iPad, laptop, whatever. Punch it the other way from your actual, or punch. Don't punch the keyboard. Keys will break. I just kicked my keyboard. Fun. I have no friends. And you see that like button? Yeah. If you like that like button, you'll get free con points. Serum. Logan Paul and Jake Paul. Am I famous now? And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know. I just said that 4 or 5 times. I don't know. Guys, comment down below #repeater. Yeah. #repeater, okay? And it says that was the video, guys. Have a fantastic day. And bye! Wait, no, sorry. And bye-bye! Cha-ching! Yes! Got it right.